Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a new makeup product and I will review it, share my first impressions with you. As always, you seem to really enjoy these kind of videos, so I decided to try another product here on my channel. And this is a product that I really wanted to purchase. I saw a couple of my favorite YouTubers reviewing the product and it looks amazing on their skins. I did mention in my last video that I really want to include more cream products into my makeup routine, and this product is a cream bronzer. It's a highlighter. This is the product. This is my first time trying out a YSL product, and this is their Touche Glow Shimmer Stick. This is a stick highlighter in the shade light beige. The packaging is stunning, super sleek. And here comes the packaging. Super luxurious, you can see. Gorgeous packaging with the logo, YSL, and the shade is light gold. Ooh, it smells, the scent is super interesting, super fresh, cucumbery. I know it's strange, but it's like cucumbers. Super fresh. Ooh, here's the logo. Y and the stick. Okay. I have my foundation on. I do have some bronzer on. I applied the Charlotte Tilbury a new Pinkgasm cream blush, which gave me super pretty natural glow. I really enjoy this product. I will link my review on the product in the description box and you can check it out. But I don't have any highlighter, although the Charlotte Tilbury product gave me a super pretty glowy look, but I want to add more highlighter. And let's try this. Okay, I will swatch it for you. It is super creamy, goes super creamy. Okay, this is beautiful. The swatch is really promising. So let's try on the cheek. Okay, stripe right away, and I will blend it with my fingers. Okay, can you see that? I really enjoy applying cream products using my fingers. I think that is the best application. Okay, I really enjoy the scent. I think this is super pretty. And let's see here. Blend, super easy. That's why I really like cream products, because you can blend them super easily, super fast. Brow. Well, I don't think that you I don't think that I need to say something. It is obvious that the product is gorgeous. A couple of things. I really like the scent, I really like the formula, I really like the color, the shade, the blendability. It blended so easy and fast. I think, yeah, first impressions, love it, love it. Thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, my name. And let me know in the comments if you have tried this product. If you want to purchase it, let me know. I will of course share my thoughts in the description box or in the comment below how I like it after using it a couple more times. But first impressions, I really like it. That was my review. Let me know what do you think. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.